Thank you for joining me, guys. And I'm so excited to talk about FLOKI right here. And this is a great update and a great improvement right now. So in the last 24 hours, we can see we have 18 points. It's actually improving 18.62, 18.68 in terms of FLOKI improvement right now. And if you actually have some amount of money right here, you should be having like 80% up in your balance already. So this is the current graph, how it has gone in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to be showing you something before the end of this particular video. So you check out this particular site. This is the kind of downfall in the last 15 minutes. Okay, let me check in the last 1 hour. Okay, right here. So you can see in the last 1 hour, the graph actually escalated and went off right here. So stay with me to the end and you will get the information correctly. So right here, this is FLOKI official website right here. They said the people's cryptocurrency right here, and this is a lot going on. So to get more updates, let's go straight to the CoinMarketCap. If you have been joining my channel for a very long time now, you will know I actually love taking my analysis on CoinMarketCap because what I've seen over time with them, I actually love their professionalism right here. So first thing I'm going to be checking right is the contract address for this particular token. So if you are yet to buy, if you want to buy, this is actually the contract address. You are going to see it currently on the BNB blockchain, and also it is currently on the Ethereum blockchain right here. So these are the two areas you can use to buy. You can use your MetaMask, your any of these wallets. You can actually get it there, because for Binance to actually list them, it means other wallets are going to be listing them also right there. So if we check out at this site, you are going to see the full daily market cap right here. So if we check the full daily market cap, is currently up like quite amazing. And if we check out the volume also, so this is an increasement in it, about 238 kind of increasement right here. So all right, so in this particular project, something you can jump on at this particular point, do you need to buy this right here? All right, so remember, this is not a financial advice. Anyway, this is for information and entertainment purpose only. So my opinion about this particular token is, yeah, it's quite a good token to hold, because I'm currently holding this particular token also, and it's a long time investment, something for me. So I've been holding it for the beginning of this particular year and many of. So I need to show you something right here. Let's check out. All right, so if you come to this side, if you want to check the analysis, go to info. Then I'm going to click on info. So once I come to info right here, I want to check the all-time high for this particular project, the all-time high. So if you check out this side, you can see 2021 was the last all-time high of this particular project right here, which means there's a high tendency that this is actually going to be doing well and increasing right here. Because if you check out some of these particular projects we have been working on, their all-time high was 2021, and the new all-time high they actually have now is now in 2024 right here, in terms of Shiba Inu, in terms of some other coins right here. So this FLOKI INU actually has some tendency to actually improve also and make this particular state. So that is one of the, I said it has a good potential right here. If you check out the total supply, and this is quite impressive. If you check out the market or whatever, the market cap and the ranking in the market right here, this is currently ranking 45 in the market right now, and that is amazing. So if you check out this side, you're going to see the top trending cryptocurrency, and this is about the top 6 right here in this market, and this is one of the things we need to know before we buy into a project. So this is a project that is actually good, and it's going to be making some thousands x, like I can't actually say predict in top, but it's going to be making some full improvement in the future to come. So see you in my next video, guys. I love you all. Peace out.